साइड पकडून बस रे. So the initial impressions are pretty good. As you have seen in my previous video, I'm talking about the comfort and the sitting position is upright, so there is no pressure on your palms, and the tank is pretty big, so you get plenty amount of space to tuck your knees, which is important to for to get that confidence, that amount of confidence. So other than that, the first thing you will notice after sitting on the bike is the refinement of the engine. It's pretty smooth. I am not facing any vibrations whatsoever on the footrests as well as on the handlebars. I don't know if the bike is new, that might be the reason, but it's definitely going to steal the eyeballs of other people. Coming back to the instrument cluster, you have all the basic things or the necessary things except for the gear shift indicator, I guess, but that's not anyways required because you get that RPM meter to shift the gear. And coming back to the gearbox, it's 1 down 5 up. You also get slipper clutch with the bike. So the torque is pretty usable for the daily commute, I would say, in the city rides as well as on the highway, because I have even rode the Bajaj AS 200 which my brother owns, and the performance comes after 7000 RPM, but that's not the case with the Dominar because the power delivery is linear and you can get enough amount of power in the upper gears. Suspensions are obviously tweaked for a cornering and not much of a daily commute, but there is comfort. You won't feel the minor potholes or road leveling problem on this bike. As you guys can see, the power comes way too early in the rev range and the bike is rev happy. I am not seeing any sort of signals from the engine that please don't rev me too hard. It's rev happy machine obviously, but you can get the power below 8000 RPM as well. रेड लाइन क्या है गाड़ी की? रेड लाइन क्या है? 9.5 है. अच्छा. that I made a mistake by not wearing riding jacket because I'm feeling plenty amount of wind blast on my chest while revving the bike too hard. So this is the top end variant which will cost you around 1,82,000 on road Mumbai with dual channel ABS, adding towards the safety. And non ABS की price क्या है? Yeah, non ABS variant will cost you 168, 170 on road Mumbai. Again a steal or value for money, because the bike is designed or constructed while considering all the factors which are required, like for daily commute, for frequent highway rides. And you do get MRF revs tires on the bike, and the grip is pretty good. I mean, I have not faced any skidding problem with the tires as well as with the ABS. So no vibrations at all on the foot pegs, either on the handlebar, and I am not feeling any pain on my back or even on the palms. And good mid-range torque as well. The turning radius is good. You don't actually feel the weight of the bike while taking a turn, and you won't fall the bike while doing so. And due to the torque comes way earlier in the rev range, you don't actually feel the bike to be pretty heavy. I mean, I'm pretty skinny and I'm not feeling any sort of weight. I'm riding with a pillion. What's your name? Dipesh. So I'm riding with Dipesh, a guy who is pretty helpful and from Bajaj service executive. And yeah, he is wearing a helmet. So we do promote safety. लोक काय बघतात आहे. So yeah, testing a pothole, the suspension is stiff but not that stiff as your butt will hurt. I want to follow the traffic signal, but people are going to stare at me. So the wind blast on your chest, aftermarket windscreen will sort that problem for you, and that's what all the Duke guys do, and that's what I do. So that's pretty much it about today's vlog. I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Up till then, this is Ravitap signing off. Ride safe and don't be a squid. Thanks for watching. So the rear seat is also pretty comfortable, and there are not much vibrations on the foot pegs as well as on the grab rails. हेडलाईट सांगतोय तो चालू आहे. तो मुलगा म्हटलं हेडलाईट चालू आहे सांगत होता. गाडी पळवलेली. पहिला एक राऊंड मारून येऊयात, पोलीस आहेत का बघूयात. नाही पण तरी पकडतील रे, त्यांचा काही भरोसा नसतो. कॅमेरा तर मला बोलणार नाही का जास्त, मला फक्त विचारत बसतील काय आहे हेल्मेटवर, बाकी काय नाही. टॉप स्पीड रेकॉर्ड होते याच्यात नाही होत.